Hello brothers, today we're looking at the R5 version of the Buick GL8 Road. Today we're filming the mid-level Zhuxiang edition of this vehicle. This is its key. Alright, let's take a quick look at the car's exterior and interior. The first two parts have some differences compared to the Luxon. I think the Road version looks a bit more elegant on the road. The grille features a horizontally pulled intake grille, and you can see shiny chrome accents embellishing it. The lighting assembly adopts an integrated headlight design. Here is an L-shaped daytime running light, and its high and low beams are both LED. Additionally, on both sides of the lower bumper, a wind deflector channel is designed. During driving, this also helps to reduce aerodynamic drag. Additionally, the front bumper is designed with 4 reserved radar sensor points. Mid-level and low-level trims do not come with it, but the top-spec Prestige Edition does. The overall vehicle length is 5219 mm. The width is 1878 mm, height 1807 mm, and wheelbase is 3088 mm. It is positioned as a medium to large MPV. The entire car's side profile adopts very simple lines. The waistline extends smoothly from the front to the rear of the car, appearing very sleek. Moreover, the rear 2 rows of windows feature a privacy glass design, which has the advantage of providing good protection. The rear window frames feature a durable multi-pane aluminum alloy sporty frame, and the vehicle is equipped with a tyre size measuring 225/55 R18. This is its rear car grille, where you can see an antenna for receiving signals. The tail lights on both sides adopt an L shape. The daytime running lights at the front also feature mutual responsiveness. Under the bumper, there are 4 radar points. This car is equipped with a rear parking radar. Let's take a closer look at its trunk. It's an electronically operated tailgate, and there's a button labeled underneath. Press it. This shows the rear seats in an uncollapsed state. As you can see, it's a 7-seat configuration. On the right, there's also a tripod, and then below the rear seat divider, it cannot be opened. For safety reasons, the rear reinforcement is an integrated structure with the vehicle body. In the event of a dangerous collision, the rear needs to withstand impact rather than directly sacrificing the third row. This consideration is very thoughtful. The seats also support up to a 46% recline. Pull this cord and push it forward. If the third row is not being used, we can also add storage at the back. The space for personal items looks quite spacious. Behind the driver's seat is the fuel filler labeled for 92-octane gasoline. Behind the front passenger is the charging port, which offers both fast and slow charging. It also supports a 3.3 kilowatt external discharge function. When camping, we can connect household appliances using a 1.5T engine with a 2-speed DHT hybrid transmission. Featuring a DHT hybrid transmission and a front-mounted single motor, it has a combined power of 292 kilowatts and a total torque of 580 Nm. The battery used is a lithium iron phosphate battery with a capacity of 24.4 kilowatts. With a full tank and full charge, the comprehensive range under CLTC conditions can reach 1420 kilometers. The official claim for fuel consumption per 100 kilometers under WRTC conditions is 1.25 liters, which is still very fuel efficient. Additionally, this model comes with a glass cap. This is the antifreeze. The door handles adopt a pull and drill type. The mechanical style door handles on the screen also come with keyless entry buttons. There's also a mechanical keyhole here. The rear view mirrors have electric folding capabilities, and you can also see the rear sides. Then there are 4 reminder functions for both the front and rear rows. The door windows all use double-layer laminated soundproof glass. Now let's look inside to see what's inside. Take a look at the interior design, everyone. It uses a beige and black color combination, and the overall design has a very layered feel. Above here, it adopts a dual screen design, but they display separately. Both screens are 12.3 inches in size. In the central control screen, you can see it's also equipped with various apps, making it very convenient to connect your phone. Additionally, it also supports connecting to Apple CarPlay. Looking at its craftsmanship, the pivots here use leather-wrapped materials. The overall style is this relatively standard round shape. Some functional buttons are set on both sides, which provide this kind of physical feedback when pressed, and the gear lever adopts The gear lever design features upper and lower parts of the door panel wrapped in soft and leather materials with a wood grain style trim panel in the middle. On the left side of the dashboard, there is a small storage compartment for documents and the like. The entire upper dashboard is covered with soft candy colored material, and below it features perforated patterns all wrapped in leather. Below the center console, it still retains physical buttons for the air conditioning controls, which provide this kind of physical feedback when pressed. During driving, these operations are very convenient. Here you can place a phone, but there's no cover. In the middle, there are 2 cup holders, and below them a small storage compartment. Inside, you can place a phone, and there's a 12V power socket, 2 charging ports, and a Type-C USB. The central passageway is open type. If when parking, it's not convenient for the driver to exit the vehicle, then you can directly from the driver's side step to the passenger side to exit the vehicle, which is very convenient. The central armrest box has ample storage space, as you can see. The upper door, the interior compartment is designed to hold roughly 2 bottles of cola, while this specific space here can securely accommodate a phone. Additionally, there is a retractable storage area intended for some food items. The seats are crafted from this luxurious leather-wrapped material, and the headrests are designed to adjust their angles smoothly. The 2 inner armrests can also be adjusted in angle according to our habits. Overall, the seat feels quite supportive, not overly soft. The 2 front camera panels are equipped with vanity mirrors and supplementary lights. The front passenger side has a grab handle. The entire roof has a small sunroof at the front with a manual sunshade. The sunroof can open to keep out the sun in summer and let in light during winter. At the rear, there is a fixed sunroof. sunroof. In terms of safety features, all models come standard with 6 airbags. In terms of active safety features, besides the base model, the mid and high trims include active braking, lane departure warnings, lane keeping assistance, and regarding level 2 driver assistance features, the top trim's second row has aviation seats, including heating and ventilation for all 4 front and rear seats, including a ceiling-mounted TV in the rear. Now I adjust the front seats to a normal driving position. As you know, I'm 1.72 meters tall. Let's move to the second row to check its space. At the rear end, the vehicle employs an electric sliding door, and there is a conveniently located grab handle here to assist us in getting in and out with ease and safety. Now I adjust the second row to the furthest back position. Everyone, take a look at the legroom. It is very spacious, and there are also 2 small pockets here. In the center, there is a small storage compartment for holding documents or similar items, and the entire second row carpet area has a completely flat roof structure here. The air conditioner control button is designed as a physical key here, and pull handles, lighting lamps, and air vents are designed on both sides. The second row uses 2 independent seats. The armrests of both seats can be adjusted in angle, including the headrest, which can also be adjusted. Additionally, the seat on the right has a phone holder with 2 charging ports here, one Type-C and one USB. On the side of the left seat, there are 2 back racks that can be folded away when not in use. Now, I adjust the second row to approximately the distance of 2 fists to ensure it's not too crowded. Let's go all the way to the third row and see its space performance. All set. There's still about a fist and a half of walking distance. The space is still very sufficient. Additionally, the 2 sides of the third row also have independent air vents, including pull handles, and 2 USB charging ports on the left side, as well as 2 back racks. The rear couple seats are designed with 3 detachable headrests. Let me show you the length. After setting it up for my height of 1.72 meters, there is still a finger's distance in the leg area. Overall, I think the support for the legs is still very good. Currently, the G28 Road model comes in 3 configurations. As a versatile mid to large MPV that offers ample space and advanced features, also let me know what cars you want to see next. Like and follow. Looking forward to seeing you next time.